We are going to show this question where the question written a curve has an equation. This is the equation given, and the question is asking you first one, find the value of k for which dy by dx equals to k by something. So we needed to find out the value of k from the first. So let me do the first one. We have to apply here the quotient rule because it is given in the form of the quotient, twice x plus 4, and the denominator is given x minus 2. From here, check the quotient rule is what, which is appearing on the bottom of the screen. So you need to consider u first. U, let me say we are considering the top part as a u and the lower part as a v. Then u equals to, you can write 2x plus 4 and v here x minus 2. So let we differentiate du by dx. From there we got 2 and dv by dx. Let we differentiate v. So we got from here 1. Now we needed to apply here the quotient rule formula, which is dy by dx. The formula is written here. Please check from here. We are going to put the values accordingly. What written there? V du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. This is our formula. According to the formula value, if we put here, then v is here. This is the value of v. Let me put here x minus 2 into du by dx. Du by dx we got the value 2, so into 2, then there is a minus sign. U, this is the value of u, which is 2x plus 4, into dv by dx. dv by dx we got from here 1. Let me put here 1, and the denominator we need to write x minus 2 whole square, because this is the value of v and it is written here v square. Okay, let me simplify more from there. On the top part, if we multiply, we got from there 2x minus 4 minus 2x minus 4, and on the bottom we got from there x minus 2 whole square. So finally we can conclude here 2x and 2x we can cut out from there, which is minus 4 to the 8 divided by x minus 2 whole square. So easily we can compare with kx minus 2 whole square. So therefore our k value is minus 8. This is our first part answer. I think a answer is like this. Second part is written here, find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point where the curve crosses the x-axis. We all know crosses the x-axis means y equals to 0. We needed to find out the coordinate first to do the normal equation. So let you consider with the main equation as a y equals to 0, then it should be twice x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. We are going to consider y equals to 0, then it turns to 2x plus 4 equals to 0. From here, if we make x subject, then we got the value minus 2. So our coordinate is minus 2 comma 0 at the x-axis, crosses the x-axis. So here we are going to find out the equation of the normal. So dy by dx is the expression of the tangent gradient expression. This is the dy by dx. So let me put the x value in dy by dx. So we can write dy by dx at x equals to minus 2. We are going to find out. Then you can consider it is as a m, gradient of the tangent. M stands for gradient of the tangent. So it's having with the minus 8, and x value we got minus 2. Let me write here minus 2 whole square on the bottom. So it gives us minus 8 by 2 to the 4 to the 16. So we can cut out, and positive 16 because minus 4 whole square is written here, we can cut out. So its gradient is minus half. Now let me form our equation of normal. So our equation of normal, we can write equation of normal, which you can write y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equals to minus 1 by m. So this is actually m here, it's a gradient of the tangent, so we needed to put this value m below the 1 and we have to multiply with the minus sign. Let we put other values as well. This is the x1 and y1 value, and that is the value of the m we are going to put in this equation. So it would be then y minus 0 divided by x minus x1 is x plus 2. If we put minus half here, minus 1 by m, and if we multiply with the minus sign, it turns to a 2. So half we are going to make it reciprocal and multiply it with the minus sign, then we can write as a 2. Now let me finish our question, which is y equals to 2x plus 4. This is our equation of the normal from here. Okay, second part we already have done. Now we move to the third part. Before third part, it is written there, a point moves along with the straight line x coordinate of the point increasing at a rate given 0.05 units per second. So this is the important information given here. So from this information we have to write the part. Let we see here. It is the information actually dx increasing at a rate, constant rate, x coordinate increasing at a constant rate 0.05. So the information given dx by dt, which is 0.05. We are going to find out, according to the question, corresponding rate of the change of y coordinate. So they are asking actually dy by dt is what? This is the question. We all know from the chain rule construction, if it is dy by dt, we are going to find out, then we needed to consider dy by dx into equation is dx by dt. Dy by dx is the value we already have, differentiation part. Then dx by dt is given here 0.05, so we needed to put here, and but we don't know the x value. Here written y coordinate at the instant when y equals to 6. So first we have to find out the value of x from there. So it's a given value of y 6. If we write the main equation, this is our main equation. If we use it, say 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. If we consider 6, then it becomes 2x plus 4 equals to 6x minus 12. So we can write it, say 4x on the right side, and 12 plus 4 is 16. So from there we can conclude the value of x is 4. When y equals to 6, value of x is 4. From when y equals to 6, you can write here x value is 4, because we need to apply here the x value. Let me finish our task now. Dy by dt, we can write here dy by dx. This is the value of dy by dx, which you can write minus 8 divided by x minus x value we got 4. Let me put the value of x 4 here, then minus 2 whole square, then into dy by dx. What is your dy by dx? This is the value of dy by dx, so which is 0.05. Now we need to finish it, which is minus 8 over 4 into 0.05, and from there we can write, we got the answer. If we use calculator, then it would be, let me use calculator. I'm going to show that part as well. If we use calculator, then it is 8 by 4, which is minus 2, negative 2, into another value 0.05, and from our calculator gives us, which is minus 1 by 10 or minus 0.1. So we can write here the value is minus 0.1. This is unit per second is the answer. Changes of the y correspond